Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 23rd, 2021, and we're going to give you all the update on Chainlink. You guys can already tell that the trap went completely against our forecast, which was done on December the 31st. So we need to update the prediction on the market against the trap. Now, before I go into that, again, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. You do not want to miss out on being ahead of the game. We're here to make sure that we get the lick from the trap right before he moves price. So make sure you all do that right before you go and complete this video. So I told you our forecast wasn't right. We'll admit it. We'll show you. We're being fully transparent with each and every one of you that the market went against our forecast. You guys can see, let's zoom in real quick and update what has occurred since that particular time, because the last time we did our prediction in Chainlink was on the 31st of December, and we expected the market to go higher in price, right? So let's use this moment as a teachable lesson. Now, on that particular video and on that day, we talked about the market in Chainlink starting a downtrend, right? So on what day would you have noticed that the forecast was incorrect? Let's take a minute and a quick second and look at what particular day would you have seen that the prediction that we talked about on December the 31st was wrong. If you said right here on January the 3rd, you are exactly correct, because the market broke the trend. We created this downtrend line right here to use as a compass, as a gauge, to let us know how the trap is going to move the market. Now, the trap is the one who creates the buyers and sellers. He brings them all together so that they can converse and transact once against another. And he makes his money off the spread between the buys and the sell orders, right? So that was the day that we would have known that the market was going to go opposite of what we expected it to do. Okay, so that would have been, to get out on that particular day, would have been 19.10% loss, right? Now, let's say you happen to wake up today and you looked at the chart for Chainlink and you wanted to get out the market. Now we'll be down 115% on that particular forecast. And it happens. That's why you place indicators, well, not indicators, you place things on a chart to follow you through this maze, to follow the trap's precise ideas. And his idea was confirmed that the market in Chainlink was going to go higher right here when it broke the trend on January the 3rd. So that was our opportunity to minimize the losses in that particular forecast from at least 19% to 115, right? So that's over. We need to get in position for his next move. And as you all can see on this particular market, Chainlink is making all-time highs. You can see it. Let me zoom out. You guys can clearly tell that the demand in Chainlink is massive, right? So obviously the trap is not taking the market lower. We need to pay attention and create the newest trend, right? And this is how strong the market in Chainlink really is. I'm going to bring this to this particular low on that particular day. And you all can see how strong this particular market in Chainlink is. Okay. I mean, it's so much so that you really cannot gauge the actual slope into the market in Chainlink. So we're going to grab the slope right there. This is how we're going to play the market. Now, the market in Chainlink is massively strong. No doubts about it. I mean, you can expect the market in Chainlink to continue to follow this trend just based off how strong that slope looks. Right? The market has already confirmed our solid line 3 times, right? Started here on January the 11th, confirmed it on the 13th, and it did it again on the 22nd. Very, very strong. And the spread of these bars lets us know that the eagerness of the trap to continue to increase the price in Chainlink is still there. Like, he still wants to move this price higher. Okay. So let's take a look at the market in Chainlink on a different time frame. So here we are looking at Chainlink on the 5-day time frame. We got 2 more days and 9 hours left before this current 5-day price bar ends, right? And the volume, granted, we have 2 days and 9 hours left, but the volume is definitely nowhere near to what has been over the last 4 5-day price bars. If that's going to be the case, then the market in Chainlink has a massive movement higher to go through, right? Let's take a look at the market in Chainlink on the 3-day time frame. Even here on the 3-day time frame, you got 1 day and 9 hours left, but look at how wide that spread is currently on the 3-day bar. I mean, even on this one 3-day price bar, it consumes the last 2 3-day price bars. So yeah, the market in Chainlink is strong. Weekly time frame, here it is again. The demand in Chainlink is there. There's no doubt about it. Now, I know you might have heard some people utilize this indicator called Fibonacci Retracements. You can use that in order to gauge where the price is going to go, considering we have nowhere here in the background of this chart to see restriction that can stop the price from going higher. Okay, but we don't utilize those indicators, but we're still going to anticipate the market in Chainlink to continue to go higher in price. Okay, even though we're trading around all-time highs into the market in Chainlink. Even though, look at this chart. This is the monthly chart for Chainlink, and you can see we have 8 days and 9 hours left. Now, if anything changes massively in Chainlink during that time, this chart literally shows us how much the potential of Chainlink can go higher. This massive monthly spread, we haven't seen this much spread in Chainlink ever since it started trading on Binance. All right, so this is very good to see. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. We're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Chainlink, right? And going to have this market hold support. So do this again. Let me look at this on hourly time frame to see if we could get a better area of where support can be. Okay. So $23 into the market in Chainlink will have to be the first area of support. If we hold that area of support on the weakness when it comes and enters the market, if he holds price at $23, then the movement is going to be a lot bigger to the upside. Okay. If he breaks that and we come down to $22, then you guys can understand that the movement higher is waning. We're losing that momentum to continue to push the price in Chainlink higher. Okay, so we're going to focus on those 2 areas, $23 as the initial area of support, but then again, we cannot break 22. This is the overall trend. So we're definitely trading well away from the market in Chainlink. So ultimately, this would be the pristine area to come in and purchase this particular cryptocurrency right here alongside this ascending line. We are trading well away from it. So take that into consideration as well as you do your own particular situation. So let's look at this. Okay. So we're going to hold it around $22. Okay. And anywhere in the green will simply be TP. I mean, the market $28, $30 can definitely come to fruition. Let's bring this down just a tad. And that's it. So we're still going to anticipate the strength into the market under the premise that the trap is going to maintain price above $22 ultimately. But if we see it break that, then we understand that this ascending line is going to be tested. Okay. But this is going to be our prediction. This is going to be our expectations to get in position on the movement of the trap. Now it's your turn. We have this comment section on this video so you can have opportunity to let everyone else know your thoughts about Chainlink. Where will we be? I would say in the next 2 weeks. Okay, 14 days. What would the price be in Chainlink? We've identified what we think. Now, write down your comment and express your thoughts about where would Chainlink be in 3 weeks. And that's it. We're in position. Time for you all to get in your position so you can capitalize on the trap. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now go and trade different.